Cruise by Mandy, just an example of packing light. I prefer to carry with all carry-on roller bag, my CPAP machine, and my personal backpack that fits under the seat in front of me. Sometimes you catch me at the airport working before a flight, so I can whip out that laptop and my charging devices to get all the power that I can. But that CPAP machine bag is my normal CPAP bag of my CPAP at home, but I use my travel CPAP and then throw my meds in there as well. I swear by packing cubes. I can pack anything in packing cubes, compartmentalize it however I need to, however short a trip, throw in my flip-flops, anything else that can go in the roller bag in case it gets checked. But my backpack, I still try to use packing cubes or smaller bags as well and keep everything in there that is important. Passports, vaccine cards, mask, money, credit cards. It stays with me. So this is the contents of that backpack, that one backpack right there. Cruise by Mandy, pack light and you can carry it with you.